In this video, I'll show you how to set up your new Echo Spot. So let's unbox it and get started. Next step is to connect the power cable in the back over here and connect it to your power outlet. Now you just have to wait a few seconds until we get some option displayed on this screen. So here we have a QR code and they ask us to scan it using the Alexa app. So you need to take your smartphone, and this is what I will do right now. You probably already have the Amazon Alexa app installed on your phone. If not, go ahead. It works with Android and iPhone. Launch the app. And on this main screen, you may have this pop-up screen that will appear after about 3 seconds after you open the app. If you see this screen, go ahead and tap on Agree and Continue. If you don't see it, don't worry. What you need to do is to press on the top right corner where you see a plus sign. Tap on Device. Then Amazon Echo. Tap on Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. Tap Yes. It will search, and in this list you should see your device. So mine is over here, Echo Spot. You can tap on it. Just wait a few seconds. All right, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Then you need to enter your password. Press Connect. You should have a blue check mark on your device once this is done. There's a good chance that your device will need to be updated before being able to use it, and this is what it will do automatically. So you just have to set it aside. It can take up to 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, while this is updating, on the app, if you press continue, you're going to have this screen and it will ask you where is this Alexa located. You can select your address over here where probably all your other devices are. Or if you want to add a new address, go ahead and press Enter New Address. If you have selected to add a new address, go ahead and select where this address is. Mine is, let's say, home, so I'll select home, press Next, Update. On this step, it will ask you to say where this device is located in your home. So is it in the bedroom, other parts? Go ahead, select the appropriate option. Now it's time to choose the clock display, the one that you'll see over here all the time. So make sure you select one that you like. Obviously, you'll be able to change this in the future if you dislike it. In my case, I like this one. I think it's the clearer. This is the way I can see the time the best. But if you like to have weather, there's these two ones over here. You see you have one with the sun and the other one you have the weather right on the top. Actually, let me pick this one. Here it will tell you how to snooze the device in case you're using it as an alarm clock or maybe just an alarm. You just need to tap here. And at the end you'll get this screen. Get started with Alexa. Your Echo Spot is ready. Oops. Press on Let's Go. And this is about it. Your device will be added over here when you press Devices. You can tap on it and you'll be able to edit a few different settings from this screen. If you want to edit more settings, click on this cogwheel. Obviously now it says that device is offline because it didn't finish updating. Once this will be updated, you won't get this red message because it will be connected. Alright, so now I'm back. It took about 3 minutes, I think 4 minutes to fully update. I think even more, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. It even may take 5 or 10 minutes. Anyway, you'll get this main screen and you'll be able to use your new Echo Spot. Right now I have a notification. This is why you see this yellow bar. But overall, to navigate and to use it, it's very easy. If you swipe down, you're gonna have these quick settings. So what you need to understand is that the first icon here is the home button. So no matter in which menu you are, no matter what is displayed here, if you want to go back on this home screen, You just have to swipe down and press home. Right now I'm on home, so nothing will happen if I do it. Then you have this sun icon. This is just for the brightness of the screen. And then you have night mode if you don't want to be disturbed, let's say. And finally, we have this cogwheel, which will find every single other settings. So you have the clock and theme. If you want to change these, go ahead. The color, I won't go through them, but you get the idea if you want to customize the look of your home screen, let's say. Then you have Bluetooth in case you want to connect another device to it. Most people may connect a Bluetooth speaker. If this one is not loud enough to you, maybe you have a big one that is more appropriate for your room. You can connect it by going in this settings. It will tell you here what to do. And we have other ones like display, sound, device option. Again, I won't go through every single one of them. It will probably take hours, but you get the idea. This is where you need to go if you want to change something about this Echo Spot. So no matter again where you are in these settings, if you want to go back home because you're done, swipe down like that, press the home button, and this is it. Quick note, on the top of this device you have only 3 different buttons. There's no camera. I know the other Echo Spot, the older version, had a camera. This one does not. You have the minus here if you want to lower the volume, plus if you want to make it louder. And finally, you have this button that when you press it, it will light up red, and you can always see this red bar as well. It simply means that your Echo Spot will not react, will not listen through its microphones. So if you say, Alexa, well, nothing is happening, you see, Alexa. So this was it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.